Tectonic shift. Shaping the future with innovation.
Hi, welcome to Tectonic Shift. This is just a quick overview what you will be seeing in this video, where I will guide you through the process of adding commits to your Azure work items. Whether you are working with product backlog items, bugs, epics or features, the process remains the same. Adding commits to Azure work items is a crucial step in tracking and managing your code changes within the context of your work items. It helps you maintain a clear and organized history of your code changes, making collaboration and traceability a breeze. In this tutorial, I will show you a step-by-step process that applies to all types of work items in Azure, be it a product, backlog item, epic or feature. You will learn how to associate commits with specific work items, making it easier to track progress and tie code changes directly to the corresponding tasks. So, without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial and learn how to add commits to Azure work item. Watch the entire video to gain a comprehensive understanding of the process and unleash the full potential of Azure for your development workflow. First, I will show you how to add commit from vscode. For that, make some changes into your repository. Changes that I am doing is just for demo purposes. Once you are done with the changes, save your changes by pressing Ctrl S or from the save option from the file menu. You would see a file with changes has been added. Now add hash, it is mandatory. And from the Azure work items page, copy the number or just make a note of the number of work item and paste it after hash. Now add a comment. You don't need to add a comment in a separate line as I am doing. It can be added after the number, after adding space, and just hit commit. Select yes. Once it's committed, you will have an option here to publish branch or sync branch, depending upon your configuration. Once it's synced, on Azure Work Items page, you would see that a commit has been added. Moving on to the next step, I will demonstrate how you can add a commit to a work item using the Azure Web Portal. To begin, navigate to the work item page and locate the development section on the right hand side. Click on the Add Link button within this section. A pop-up window will appear. In this window, select commit as the link type. Choose the repository where your commit is located from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Find Commits. A list of available commits will be displayed. Select the commit that is relevant to your work item and click OK. If desired, you can add a comment related to the commit in the provided field. Once you are ready, click OK again. Now, if you look at the work item, you will notice that the commit has been successfully linked to it. This established a clear connection between your code changes and the associated work item. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and please like and subscribe to our channel.